Would you make welcome from Van Lear, Tennessee, Mr. Farrell Stowe? I've said it hundreds of times, but I think he's one of the finest dobro players in the nation.
Thank you, Dave. I owe you one.
I know it. I'll be around to get my money in a little bit. In yonder's town where I was born, there lived a fair young maiden, made every youth cry well the day her name was Barbary Allen. Well, he sent his servants to the town where she was dwelling. Oh, my master's sick and cries for you, if your name be Barbary Allen. Slowly, slowly she got up, and slowly she went to him, and all she said when she got there, young man, I think you're dying. Well, yes, I'm sick, I'm very sick, and death on me is dwelling. No better, no better, I never shall be, if I can't have Barbary Allen. Yes, you're sick and very sick, and death on you is dwelling. No better, no better, you never shall be, 'cause you can't have Barbary Allen. Do you remember in yonder's town when we were at the tavern? You drank your health to the ladies all around and slouted Barbary Allen. Yes, I remember in yonder's town when we were at the tavern. I drank my health to the ladies all around, but gave my love to Allen. Well, as she was on her way back home, she heard the birds a singing. They seemed so loud, they seemed to say, hard-hearted Barbary Allen. Well, they buried him there in the old graveyard, and they buried her beside him, and on his grave grew a red, red rose, and on her grave a briar. They grew and they grew up the old church tower till they could not grow any higher. They leaped and tied in a true lover's knot the rose around the briar. Maybe that's it.